Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. If you drink lemon water in the morning, add to it a pineapple. And here is the most important reason. We all know about the benefits of lemon water in the morning. But, try and add the pineapple, and this drink will become even more useful and with a higher alkaline strength. This fruit is rich in useful nutrients and vitamins. It is very important to maintain the acid-base balance, if we want to avoid any health problems, because our body depends on the level of pH. A mixture of lemon and pineapple with a rich content of minerals can even out the alkaline level of pH. Daily consumption of this fresh drink will greatly improve your health. There are 16 reasons why you need to try this magic mixture. 1. Reduce the risk of cancer. Scientists have proved that cancer cells cannot thrive in an alkaline environment, which just this drink helps to create. 2. Remedy for toothache and gingivitis. Many people who used this healthy drink said that it was this that helped them get rid of dental pain, and also of gingivitis. 3. Weight loss. Pectin, a polymer contained in lemons, creates an alkaline environment in the body and reduces appetite. Researchers have proven that alkaline nutrition is very useful if you want to lose weight. 4. Weakening of pain and muscles. This combination of lemon water and pineapple will completely relieve you of pain in the muscles and elbows. 5. Hydration. This drink provides great hydration throughout the day, as lemons have high electrolyte reserves, such as magnesium, calcium and potassium. 6. Improves digestion. Citric acid is largely incorporated into lemons. This acid reacts with other acids in the body and increases the secretion of acid in the stomach, thereby accelerating digestion. 7. Production of enzymes. When it comes to producing enzymes, lemon water is a drink that can stimulate the liver for their production. 8. Cleanser for the liver. This healthy drink stimulates the detoxification of the body, and is also an excellent cleanser for the liver. 9. Treatment of respiratory infections. You can defeat many viral infections and sore throats by consuming this amazing mixture. This drink can fight with various infections, sore throat and irritation of the tonsils. 10. Regulation of defecation. Adding pineapple to your lemon water, you can improve defecation. 11. Improving the absorption of food. Lemon water in combination with pineapple juice and with its antioxidants will improve your intake of food and the function of your immune system. It will also help your body fight free radicals. 12. Function of the nervous system. Our nervous system needs a good amount of potassium to function well. Potassium, contained in lemons, makes this drink an excellent fighter with some health problems, such as anxiety and depression. 13. Cleansing the blood. This juice is great for cleaning your blood. It cleanses your arteries, veins and capillaries. 14. Reducing blood pressure. You can reduce high blood pressure by 10% if you consume this drink every day. 15. Increase alkalinity of the body. It is an excellent assistant in maintaining pH levels, which makes your body more alkaline and able to cope with many health problems. 16. Pregnancy. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is key in fighting colds and viruses. In addition, vitamin C triggers the construction of bone tissue of the child, and potassium stimulates the construction of the brain and nervous system. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.